race car problems here. When you got to take your dipstick out to get your spark plugs out, you may have made a slight design flaw when creating a car. Cylinder number 2, not so good. Cylinder number 8, loose plug wire. Gets you every time. Now we got to gap the new ones, and I ain't gapping them without a tool, so I got to make a tool. Let's see what I get. Alright, here's what I came up with. Old spark plug fits in here, which I've already had around the shop just laying there. Put it in there, close it up, closes your gap. Perfect. Done. Did my first one already. We're at 20 thousandths right on the feeler gauge. Perfect. Alright, pro tip. I'm going for a 20 thousandths gap, and I got a 12 thousandths feeler gauge. Spring back is about 8 thousandths. It's my last plug. Way easier than guessing, trying to hammer that electrode down. It's worth the time. Just pulled this one out of the vise. That last one, 20 thou. Perfect. All right, we got our dielectric grease on the boots. We got our copper anti-seize on the plugs. And let's get them installed and fired up. All right, plugs are in. Dipstick is in. Let's crank her up. See what she sounds like. Hit my switch. Grab my button. Clutch. Neutral. Parking brake. Good, good. All right, let's see. Probably should have data logged that for the tuner. All right, just temp probed each of the header tubes. Everything's within 10 degrees-ish. Good enough. Let's go take her for a drive. See what she does. Stay tuned.